Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Small caps poised for a bounce, KKR Capital announces dividend, and Lumen Technologies CFO makes big buy, a look at the new normal in business fundamentals. Plus, Crescent Point Energy's multi-billion-dollar acquisition of Hammerhead Energy, organogram's leap on British American Tobacco deal, and PayPal's SEC subpoena over stablecoin documents. We'll also delve into the top 7 tech stocks with massive growth potential and discuss winners and losers in financials with Fudu leading the pack. Stay tuned after this short ad break to get all these insights and more. The Standard & Poor's 500 is significantly impacted by its leading 10 stocks, accounting for 1/3 of the market capitalization, a peak not seen since the early 1970s. Nonetheless, CG Capital Markets anticipates a resurgence in small-cap stocks. They caution that present valuations are excessively high considering a possible recessionary perspective and foresee ongoing market instability until this inconsistency is rectified.
EFF's KKR Capital, a prominent investment firm on the New York Stock Exchange, has declared a quarterly dividend of 70 cents per share. This signifies a forward yield of 14.18%. The disbursement will occur approximately on January 3rd to shareholders registered as of December 13th.
Christopher Stansberry, the chief financial officer of Lumen Technologies, has recently acquired 500,000 shares of the company at a total cost of $549,450. This comes on the heels of Kathleen Johnson, the chief executive officer's acquisition of 1 million shares just last week. Despite facing a contentious creditor agreement and third-quarter earnings report, Lumen continues to be considered as a cautious buy. It is noteworthy that there has been only one open market purchase in the past 3 months.
Chris Davis, who holds the position of chairman at Davis Advisors, has issued a warning that the period of free money is drawing to a close. He predicts that a shift back to standard interest rates will significantly alter the market landscape. Davis advises investors to prioritize durability and resiliency, as traditional financial analysis may not hold up in these changing times. The reevaluation of money's worth could have far-reaching effects on private equity, venture capital, commercial real estate and private capital markets due to the necessity for risk repricing. His top stock recommendations are Meta Platforms Incorporated, Berkshire Hathaway B, Wells Fargo & Company, Amazon.com Inc., and Capital One Financial Corporation.
Crescent Point Energy is on course to purchase Hammerhead Energy for an estimated total of $2.55 billion. This sum includes approximately $455 million in assumed net debt. As a result of this transaction, Crescent Point will emerge as the leading entity in Alberta Montney, incorporating around 800 drilling sites and establishing itself as Canada's 7th largest exploration and production company by volume. In order to finance this acquisition, Crescent Point plans to sell more than 38 million shares at a price of $10.30 per share in Canadian currency.
Organogram Holdings, a cannabis company based in Canada, experienced a pre-market increase of 33% after finalizing a private placement agreement with British American Tobacco. This deal is expected to generate approximately 124.6 million Canadian dollars in gross proceeds. It also grants the tobacco behemoth the right to nominate up to 30% of Organogram's board members. The capital raise will be allocated towards geographic expansion and general corporate activities.
Mizuho's top selections for the month of November encompass Amazon, Trip.com, PayPal Holdings, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Intuit Incorporated, and Procore Technologies. The banking institution identifies potential in Amazon Web Services and predicts that artificial intelligence will instigate a super cycle of cloud migration. It also foresees a revival in outbound travel enhancing Trip.com's performance and a positive turnaround for PayPal. NVIDIA's supremacy in the artificial intelligence market is acknowledged while Microsoft's advantageous position to leverage generative AI is underscored. The robust business model of Intuit Incorporated along with the growth potential of Procore Technologies are also commended.
PayPal Holdings has been issued a subpoena by the Division of Enforcement of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission concerning its U.S. dollar-backed stablecoin, known as PayPal USD. The firm is actively cooperating with the SEC's request for documents, a fact that was revealed in their latest 10-Q filing.
In the realm of finance, companies like FinWise Bancorp, Prestige Wealth, Westwood Holdings Group, Siebert Financial, and Fudu Holdings witnessed substantial growth. On the contrary, Conifer Holdings, Trepanian, B. Riley Financial, Rocket Companies, and Stronghold Digital Mining faced downturns. The S&P 500 financial sector, along with its subsectors including banks, financial services, and insurance, saw a minor decline. This week saw an influx of over $50 billion into money market funds, while Kinsale Capital experienced a drop and WTW ascended amidst a week filled with earnings reports. That's a wrap on the Daily Business and Finance Show today. Stay savvy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, keep thriving. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. It's time for us to say goodbye until we see each other again tomorrow. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.